How to convert any website into desktop apps. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to download any website as a desktop app. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, you want to go over to your website where you want to download it as your desktop app. Let me just go ahead and quickly go to fast.com to check my internet speed. Now, if I want to quickly access this particular website, you might sometimes find the install button right here. If you don't see it, tap on the three dots, and then from here, go ahead and click on Cast, Save, and Share, and then click on Install Page App. Install Page as App, and once you tap on it, go ahead and name your app, click on Install, and as you can see, it will run separately as a separate app. It's also visible on your taskbar as well. And that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.